So guys, we will be eating one piece of chicken of spicy one. But there will be water. So let's get into the short.
Ako. Ako na. Ako na. Ako na.
Ilang kahong?
Ay, ng tubig. Ay, ng.
Okay, so my little sister is crying. She's drinking water right now. Hi.
Hi.
Okay guys.